Recommended tools: dolly, hammer, curl bar, multi-screwdriver, box knife, number 6 and number 8 Allen keys. Carefully remove the packing material. Lift the front cover and remove the light head. Plug the chair into the power source and raise the chair. Remove the front and back base covers. Remove the safety screws attached to the pallet from the base of the chair. Remove the safety screws from the delivery unit mount, which are attached to the pallet base. Disconnect the chair extension cable from the chair to the delivery unit. Remove the chair from the pallet and transfer it to the operatory using a dolly or cart. 2 people recommended. Attach both armrests to the chair. Carefully remove the delivery unit from the pallet and transport it to the operatory. 2 people recommended. Connect all the cables from the delivery unit to the corresponding cables in the dental chair. Align the delivery unit mount with the corresponding screw holes in the dental chair. Attach the delivery unit mount to the chair using the provided screws. Number 8 Allen key recommended. Ensure all the cable ends from the delivery unit are properly connected to the chair. Remove the extension cable. Remove the seat cushions from the box and attach the headrest and backrest. Ensure the backrest cushion is properly attached to the backrest. Identify all the accessories in the plastic bag. Remove the Cavitron water connection. If you do not prefer to use the cuspidor, disconnect power to each solenoid valve and cut the water supply to the cuspidor. Disconnect the drain hose and remove the cuspidor. Cover the hole with the provided rubber caps. Install the front and back base covers and attach the foot control cable to the PC board. Install the assistance tray to the assistance arm by tightening the screw. Cover the assistance tray arm with the provided covers. Remove the light arm from the box. Insert the light arm cable through the straight post and attach the cable to the delivery unit. Insert the light arm into the delivery unit. Rotate it until it is secured. Attach the light head to the light arm and secure it using the provided screw and Allen key. Attach the light head arm to the light head. Cover the delivery unit mount screw head with the provided rubber caps. Test the light. Attach the seat using the provided screws. Cover the screw holes with the provided rubber caps. Install the provided under-seat cover. Install the plastic seat foot cover. Junction box installation. Attach the air and water using a 3/8" angle shutoff valve, not provided with the chair. Attach the vacuum with a 1/2" connection and drain with a 1.5" connection. Power 115 volts plus or minus 10%, 5 amps standard US outlet. The junction box can be situated in any area around the chair. The junction box can also be mounted under the chair as shown. If city water is not available, you may use a bottled water system.